Hello and welcome four-wheel drive adventurers. Before we start, let's clear up something important. The Recurve module, which you might also hear referred to as Powergate, is brought to you by Alien Tech Australia. While the hardware and app carry the Powergate name, all tuning files and customer support are provided by Recurve Academy. This collaboration ensures you get top quality service and expertise under the familiar Alien Tech label. In this brief guide, we'll walk you through the following steps. First, we will download the app from the App Store and create your Alien ID account. Connect the Recurve module to your vehicle's diagnostic port and ensure it's linked to the same Wi-Fi network as your smartphone. Select your vehicle model in the app, then identify the ECU to ensure compatibility. The next steps involve reading the control unit and writing the new tuning files to enhance your vehicle's performance. Let's dive in and optimize your vehicle with the Recurve module. To follow this guide, scan the QR code from the welcome card in the box. Download the app from your App Store. Allow all requested accesses, including notifications. This will alert you when your tuning files are ready. And create an Alien ID account to access the cloud services provided by Recurve Academy. For best vehicle tuning practices, please ensure the following conditions are met. Ensure your vehicle's battery is fully charged and not over 3 years old. If there's any doubt, connecting a battery charger is safer. This is crucial because some processes during installation can last up to 40 minutes. The ECU may be damaged if the battery drops below 11.5 volts. Check that all connections between the Recurve module and the OBD port are secure. Keep the ignition on when prompted by the app. Any loose connections or attempts to start the car during the tuning file writing can damage the engine processor. Verify that your vehicle's ECU contains its original stock file and that no plug-in tuning chips are installed. If your vehicle is new, this won't be a concern. For used vehicles, you might need to check with previous owners or contact us for a professional check. Before the next step, disconnect your mobile from the vehicle's Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Connect the Recurve module to your vehicle's diagnostic port using the supplied cable. Wait for the LED strip to turn blue. Pair the Recurve module with your smartphone. Enable Bluetooth in your phone's settings. Open the Powergate app, tap Add, and follow the on-screen instructions. Ensure both your Recurve module and smartphone are connected to the same internet network using either a Wi-Fi router or your phone's hotspot. A successful connection turns the LED to yellow. Please wait for all updates to be completed. This might take about 5 minutes. You'll know it's done when you see the Recurve logo pop up and the app's color change. In the app, search for your vehicle by make, fuel type, model, and version. Tap the first button on the app menu to begin identifying the ECU fitted in your vehicle. This is crucial to ensure that the selected vehicle matches and that the Recurve module communicates successfully. Follow the app's prompts to turn the ignition on. The LED strip will turn red during this step. Initiate the control unit reading. Follow the app's prompts to turn the ignition on. The duration varies by vehicle, so please be patient. The LED strip will flash red until the process is complete. Once done, our team will process the original file, which might take a few hours depending on our workload. Once the reading process is complete, the Recurve module will be uniquely associated with your vehicle, ensuring the tuning is perfectly tailored to your specific setup. After receiving a notification that new tuning files are ready, proceed to write the modified file. With the Recurve module, you have the flexibility to select from 4 tuning options for your driving needs. Use the Power Tune to enhance performance during the fun days at the beach, towing for improved capability on long outback journeys, balance for efficient everyday driving, and the stock tune for diagnostic and troubleshooting purposes. Choose the desired tune and tap Next. Turn the ignition on and tap OK. The duration of this step varies. Ensure all connections are secure and that the Recurve module remains connected. Do not turn off the ignition unless prompted. Once completed, the LED will turn green. Turn the ignition off and tap OK. Ensure all logs are sent before closing the app. Then disconnect the Recurve module and enjoy the new driving experience. If any of the steps seem too challenging, remember, we're here to help. We offer installation services at our workshop in Brisbane. Give us a bell to book an appointment.